You're trying to go for a ride instead of paying the toll? Why don't you do it? She said that he owes her $4 or they can just go for a ride.
Look at me, one of our houses is going that way, the other one going this way.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Destin FL channel. Sitting behind me, I know we've got the Ford on the channel, but now we've got a Dodge on the channel. This thing, I'm sure y'all already follow him. If you know who I am, you know who he is. Right here popping up on the screen, it's a TUMMINS. We got him here in person. We are in Destin, Florida right now. We're gonna be doing a truck review video on his truck and going over everything that he's got done to it and everything that he's done to it. He is also the owner of Wilson Auto Sports. They built the truck, he built the truck. You'll get to see all of it, we'll talk about it. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So this truck is fully equipped with a full Kelderman lift kit, 30x16's, 42s. We're gonna get in depth on that, but I just wanted to show you that right quick. Go give him a follow on Instagram if you haven't already. That's gonna be popping up on the screen right now. And as well, right there on the back window, you see it. All right, guys, so this is John. What's up, John? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right, so you can go ahead and start. I guess we'll start with the lift kit. I know I just now said that it was a Kelderman 10 to 12, but yep. This thing, you installed it. So what did you think about the install on it? It looks like a very well-built kit.
It was pretty tricky. The engineering is it's fair. The install was about over 100 hours because you have to take the bed off and do the
right. Yeah. Yeah, I'll throw up a picture of that on the screen right now too. I've seen that on his Instagram. He's had the bed off of this truck. It also has a fully polished exhaust. This thing is just so nice. I'm probably gonna be all over the place in this video, but it just, look at this, guys. Now the powder coat colors, I'm sure everybody's gonna be commenting that. What is all of that?
The teal is the powder coat called Willie's Teal, and then the white is just the closest pearl white to match my paint coat.
Right, okay. So the axles are powder coated, they're not painted. That's a powder coat.
Everything was breaking down and powder coated. Tanks and everything got powder coated.
Yep.
Pretty much everything on this thing is powder coated except for the frame and a few little odds and ends.
Yeah. This thing, guys, videos and pictures are not going to do it justice. I know y'all just now seen that little edit of it, but in person, guys, this truck is crazy. Look at that. Okay, so these are the 30x16 KG1 forged. What's the spoke pattern called?
It's a Vortex. They're the new concave.
Oh, you know those bitches spin? I'm sure Stunt will be watching this.
Oh yeah, Brenton always.
I'm poor, Brenton, but we down here in Florida, high class living. Look at that. Okay, so it looks like everything's pretty much color matched. I know we'll show you all the inside of this here in just a second. I'd say a lot of this was color matched on the factory, I guess, or did you have to color match some of it? Just
the bumpers were done. The grill, heads, bumper plastics, and all that. I actually had the bumpers redone, but they came painted, but I had them redone, so everything has been color matched and repainted on this thing.
And the headlights were built
Bayou Lighting.
Bayou Lighting. Are these Are these aftermarket tow hooks?
No, they're actually the...
Really? They look like billet.
The Longhorn and the Limited, it's good the billet hooks.
Okay. I'm not a big Dodge guy. I don't know a whole lot about them, but this thing is nice. Got the color matched mirrors as well. Literally everything that can be color matched has been color matched. The steps are even color matched. Got to give a shout out to my boy Damon. Next Level Mats, he's got them on here. TUMMINS. There's a sneak peek at the interior. We'll look at that here in just a second. Okay. I guess we'll go ahead and start with the motor. I see you've got the straight pipe exhaust. This is a new truck, so we know it's deleted and tuned. 5-inch straight pipe, easy link, CTG tunes, has a cold air intake, and then a radiator coolant pipe is pretty much it for the engine. Okay. And this thing sounds mean. We'll get you all a start up here in just a second. Check out this right here. Bumper plastics, all of it. Everything is color matched. And then this right here, and now is that painted and then powder coated, or no, is that the powder too?
That's both powder.
I mean, that powder coat color is like almost identical. That is very close. Oh, 12-volt villains. Y'all check them out. Electronic license plate covers, they can customize them however you want them. The tail lights, they've been painted. Who done that? Bayou Lighting. Okay, he's got the third brake light done too. Oh, you even got all of the caps up here done. Yeah guys, so this truck has the color matched lenses. They left out the reverse lights, tinted the brake lights. Electronic tailgate opener. Oh gosh, hold on, let my camera focus. Look in there. Alright, you gotta tell us about the audio now. What's up with the audio? What all is that?
It's basically DS18's new pods. It has 2 tins and a compression driver for each pod, so it's 4 tins and 2 1 3/4 compression drivers. Their bar, 2,000 watt amp, and they scream. Wow.
That looks absolutely awesome, guys. I won't be able to hear how loud those are, but I'll be sure to update y'all and let you know. We're gonna go on to the inside of this truck, open it up. Got the amps. Now, are those amp steps or is that just factory steps?
Those are
factory steps. Yeah, this truck is the Longhorn. So it came with the factory power board steps. Are the steps powder coated or painted?
They're powder coated.
So it came with the factory power steps, and he had those powder coated and then put on the Next Level matte covers on those, so those look absolutely sick. Going on to the back, he's got the Starlight headliner, whole 9 yards. Literally any truck mod that you can think to do to a truck, this thing has it. And it is tall too. He said aired all the way up, it goes up to, I think he said 16 or 17, I think he said 17. So aired all the way up, it goes to 17. Got all the stickers up on the, up on the sunroof. This thing is so nice. Look at this dash. Got the Longhorn interior. So clean.
Don't let you click on the front one.
Look at this, guys. You can literally click on the cameras. I may sound retarded, but I didn't know that you could do that on these. Look at that. He was checking to see if he had his license plate cover on and literally just pulled it up right there. That is sweet. There's the airlift. Super, super nice truck, guys. These Dodges, I swear, Dodge has one of the best interiors that I've seen. So I guess let's go ahead and get them a startup video. I'm gonna go into the back. This thing sounds so awesome. Just look at it. Gosh. I told you guys, this thing sounds absolutely insane. Like, gosh, this thing makes me want to Dodge. Right there is his business, so make sure y'all go give him a follow on his Instagram, and if y'all are in Florida and need any work done around Destin, be sure to hit him up, because this truck, guys, the quality speaks for itself. Like, I would tell you all, if there was anything half-assed on this truck, I would tell you all. John is a super nice guy, and this truck is done right. This truck looks really good. And he actually just pulled his other truck home from Daytona, which is that's a pretty good hike from here. So I mean, he pulled with this truck, pulled a whole nother truck with a gooseneck or whatever, and I mean, you know it's built right when you can pull your tow pig with the show truck. So I thought that was really cool to see as well. No problem hopping in this thing and driving it every single day. This thing is built right, nothing half-assed. Absolutely super clean truck. And these KG1s, man, they're growing on me. I like this spoke pattern, especially those caps. Those caps are pretty clean. I'm gonna have to get me some. All right, John, so we went over almost everything that you've done to the truck. Do you have any future mods or future plans that you want to talk about? Any ideas, anything that you've not done yet that you're about to do? Anything like that? Or is she pretty much done for now until you build something else?
No, the lift's probably gonna get taken off and redone in the winter, in the down season. And then the frame's gonna get powdered.
Okay. Now the lift kit, you're taking it off to change the colors, do a different lift?
I'm gonna do the same teal, but I'm gonna go with a different lift.
Okay. So he's actually gonna be veering away from the Kelderman and doing something different. Do you want to talk about what you're doing or no?
It's still gonna be bags, but it's probably gonna be fully custom.
Okay. So he's gonna do a custom one-off. Are you thinking plan B? No? No shots are being fired, guys. No shots are being fired whatsoever. I was just curious. But that'll be sick. That'll be absolutely awesome. He's still gonna do bags, still gonna have all that adjustability, just not gonna do the Kelderman. Is it gonna be bigger? Is that what you're doing? Doing something bigger? Okay. So it's gonna come back bigger. Wheels and tires, you're keeping the wheels and tires, doing something different.
I like the 30s, but I like boggers, so I'm gonna try to figure out something for 30s.
Maybe some 28s and 44s, or do they make boggers for 30s?
No, but I'm gonna try to talk to Interco and see.
Right, okay. He's gonna pull some strings, get some stuff done. This thing needs some, what do you think, 46s?
46s or 44s.
46s or 44s on these 30s? That is gonna look awesome. Well guys, I know that was a little bit of a quick review, but I just wanted to make this video while we were down here. We were on vacation. John was kind enough to meet us out and let me make a video of his truck. So I really appreciate you all watching, and I appreciate John for letting me make the video of his truck. I'm gonna roll some edits. We're actually gonna go try to get some drone footage if we can of going across like a big bridge down here in Destin. If the traffic's not too bad, so either the video's about to end or you're about to see a really cool edit with some drone footage. So as always guys, always remember everybody starts out as a nobody. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.